Java is a powerful and versatile programming language for developing software running on mobile devices, desktop computers, and servers. Did you know that the software for Android cell phones is developed using Java? Java was developed by a team led by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. In 2010, Sun Microsystems was purchased by Oracle. Java is object-oriented language for general-purpose business applications and for interactive, World Wide Web-based Internet applications. When you write a Java program, you first construct the source code using a text editor such as Notepad. The statements are saved in a file. Then, the Java compiler converts the source code into a binary program of bytecode. A program called the Java interpreter then checks the bytecode and communicates within the operating system. Computer languages have strict rules of usage. If you do not follow the rules when writing a program, the computer will not be able to understand it. The Java language specification is a technical definition of the Java programming language's syntax and semantics. You can find the complete Java language specifications on their website. The Application Program Interface, or the API, also known as library, contains predefined classes and interfaces for developing Java programs. You can view and download the latest version of the Java API on their website. Java is a full-fledged and powerful language that can be used in many ways. It comes in 3 editions. Java Standard Edition, or Java SE, to develop client-side applications. The applications can run on desktop. Java Enterprise Edition, or Java EE, to develop a server-side applications such as Java Servlets, Java Server Pages, and Java Server Faces. Java Micro Edition, or Java ME, to develop applications for mobile devices such as cell phones. In this subject, we will learn Java SE to introduce Java programming, and Java SE is the foundation upon which all other Java technology is based. The Java Development Kit, or the JDK, consists of a set of separate programs and each invoked from a command line for compiling, running, and testing Java programs. The program for running Java programs is known as JRE, or Java Runtime Environment. Instead of using the JDK, you can use a Java development tool such as NetBeans, Eclipse, and TextPad, and those are software that provides an integrated development environment, or IDE, for developing Java programs quickly. Editing, compiling, building, debugging, and online help are integrated in one graphical user interface. You simply enter source code in one window or open an existing file in a window, and then click a button or menu item or press a function key to compile and run the program. The figure shows the relationship of JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM is the virtual engine and the one which enables bytecode support. JRE contains JVM and all other libraries to run Java application. JDK is a superset which comprises of JVM, JRE, and the tools to develop Java application. Its primary objective is to provide support for the build and compilation. Those are the things you need to know about Java. Are you ready to write your first Java program?